don't mind her. I'm gonna try out the Baby Got Peach. Ooh, that's cute. Okay, okay. This is a clean brush. Just gonna buff it out a bit. Wee, she's cute. I'm gonna take Okurr on that same fluffy brush. I'm just gonna run it through my...
Just stabbed my eye.
So I'm gonna use Get Even. My woman. Don't touch. Don't touch. You're touching.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
No.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Hello. Sorry.
Hello?
No.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
With ColourPop and the foundation also by them. I don't have their setting powder. If you've tried it, let me know how it works for you. I had already bought 2 setting powders, one after the other, so I wanted to use those up before I just keep buying more. Okay, I want a little bit more brightness in my under eye, so I'm gonna also add the Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer. Just a little. Also gonna set my under eyes and face with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic setting powder. This was one of the setting powders I had purchased recently and I really like it. I want to try different shades they have. One thing I'm excited to try, these came all the way from the United Kingdom. These lashes, and can we just look at this box, is by Lujo Lashes, and it just opens. I'll put the name of them in the description bar below. I'm like so scared to take them out. So I'm gonna apply these off camera and I'll be back. Extremely easy to put on and I absolutely love them. Oh, they're just like the perfect everyday lash. I'm gonna have to order so many more of these. Okay, let's continue. I still can't get over these lashes. They are so light. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing any lashes. A little bronzing along my temple. And then my hair. I go downwards like that with the brush and emphasize out my cheekbone. And then just bring it out more into my face. And then along my jawline. A little bit more, I just go right underneath it. And then again, other side, and just along my forehead. And then I take it and just basically like if hugging it up against my cheekbone. A clean face brush and blend it out so it's not super harsh on my face. Use them for concealer and foundation. This is the Heroine Glow #1. And it's like the perfect highlighter. Make half baked again was this one, and I'm just gonna smudge them under my waterline. Then I'm gonna take Ready or Yacht in the inner corners of my eye.
Right there. Like in the middle of where the highlight starts. I just put a little bit more on my nose. Okay.
I'm gonna set all of that down with my Morphe mattifying mist. I almost forgot. Let's do Beauty Bakery Cake Pop. This is one of their mini lippies and peanut butter luster. I kind of want to leave it as is, but I've been into glosses lately. Yeah, I'm sold after I seen this one. This is by Ulta Beauty. This is their shiny lip gloss. And I mean, it just matches the look perfectly. This is a rose gold shimmer. Darken up my outer eyes a bit. I'm gonna go into my Make It Heat palette and I'm gonna take Cayenne. I'll show you. It's that one. And I'm also gonna take it a little bit in my crease area as well. I feel like it will really.
Yes. It really warms it up a bit more.